Wondering what you should set up as a team in Asana to make your projects run smoothly? Let's break it down quickly, because getting started with the right setup will save you time and energy in the long run. Stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about your team structure. When setting up a team in Asana, you'll want to decide if you need a simple or a complex structure. For smaller teams, you might just need one project with tasks organized by sections. But for larger teams, create multiple projects with different focus areas. These could be grouped by department, like marketing or sales, or by specific initiatives. It's all about setting up a structure that fits your team's workflow. Next thing, you'll want to focus on projects and templates. Asana gives you the option to create templates that can be used across different projects. This is huge if you repeat similar tasks often. Set up a project template for recurring tasks like weekly check-ins or client onboarding, so you don't have to start from scratch each time. It's a great way to save time and keep things organized, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. The third thing to set up is task management. Assign tasks clearly, use deadlines, and create due dates for your tasks. The beauty of Asana is that you can break tasks down into smaller subtasks, making it easy to manage larger goals. Make sure everyone on your team has clarity on what they need to do and when it's due. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, the fourth thing to think about is communication within tasks. Use the comment section within each task to discuss details with your team. This eliminates the need for endless email threads and makes it easy to track all communication in one place. Make sure your team knows how to use these features to share updates, ask questions, and make decisions without leaving Asana. The fifth thing I recommend is integration with other tools. Asana plays well with other apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. Integrate these into your workflow so that you can streamline everything. For example, you can easily link Google Docs to your Asana tasks, keeping everything in one place without switching between apps. These integrations really enhance your team's efficiency. Lastly, think about reporting and tracking progress. Asana offers dashboards and reporting tools to keep track of your project's progress. Set up these reports to get a clear picture of where things stand. You can track milestones, overall completion rates, and individual tasks. This helps keep everyone accountable and ensures projects stay on track. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can try out Asana for completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses that will make your setup process even easier. So, go ahead and check that out. By the way, if you're new to Asana or looking to improve your setup, this extended free trial will give you plenty of time to get familiar with all the features we've talked about. Get started today and see how much smoother your projects can run.